pasensya ka na. Shawty, see what you are. You see that the time to love it, even disappear under the sun. To show you, hold you, it's a fantasy world. I wish I could come together once more. Shawty, take money, lava. Shawty, take money, lava. Shawty, take money, lava. Shawty, take money, lava. If she holla, if she holla, let her go.
I would like to acknowledge the Chairman and CEO of Viva Group of Companies, Mr. Vic Del Rosario, the President and COO of Viva International Food and Restaurant, Mr. VR Del Rosario, syempre ang General Manager ng Bondijo Philippines, Ms. Rodri Bala, the Operation Manager, Mr. Ben Fuentes, Marketing Manager, Mr. Gray Francisco, ang Area Manager po naman ay Ms. Jubel Ragwal, Kitchen Area Manager, Mr. Berlin John Candelaria, and aming Kitchen and Logistics Manager, Ms. Cheryl Olaira. Siyempre, hindi din po mabubuo ang event namin ngayon dito sa Bondijo kung wala po ang mga important people from Robinsons La Union. So I would like also to acknowledge Mr. Manuel Moranan, the Chief Engineer of Robinsons, Mr. Lance Gapusan, the Mall Engineer, Mr. Christian Likingan, the Mall Engineer also, Mr. Joshua